Welcome to our showdown between two powerful motherboards from MSI, the B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1. Today, we will compare these two ATX motherboards that support the latest AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. The B650 Tomahawk has been a staple in the mid-range gaming segment, while the B850 Gaming Plus offers cutting-edge features at a competitive price. We'll examine their performance, connectivity options, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi offers solid mid-range capabilities with its PCIe 4.0 support and robust power delivery system. However, the MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 takes the lead with its PCIe 5.0 support and faster M.2 General 5 storage options, making it a more future-proof choice for gamers and power users. The B850 also supports higher memory speeds, allowing for better overall system performance. Both motherboards offer excellent connectivity options, but the MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 shines with its Wi-Fi 7 and 5 gigabits per second LAN capabilities, providing faster networking speeds for online gaming and streaming. In contrast, the B650 Tomahawk features Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits per second LAN, which, while still impressive, may not match the cutting-edge performance of its competitor. This makes the B850 a better choice for users looking for the latest in connectivity technology. In terms of pricing, the MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 is a budget-friendly option at $199, offering exceptional value for its advanced features. On the other hand, the MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi comes in at a higher price of $269, which may not be justified given the superior specifications of the B850. This price difference makes the B850 a compelling choice for those looking to maximize their investment in a motherboard. In conclusion, both the MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 are excellent motherboards for AMD's AM5 platform. While the B650 offers proven reliability and solid performance, the B850 stands out with its advanced features and lower price point. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.